In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a zip folder in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, let me just create a new file folder here to completely show you how to create one. So go with folder and let me rename that first folder 1. Click on the enter key and let me just add here a new text document inside of the file folder that I have recently created. Let me just navigate to the new one and go with my text document. Okay, so in order to create a zip folder without even using a program or an application, all you need to do is you need to select that particular folder that you would like to create or that you would like to convert into a zip folder with. Make a right click and then proceed to this show more options. Click on that one, and the moment you've clicked on it, in a few moments you would be able to open another window where it contains a list of the options. So there you can see send to. So locate your cursor here, and that way you'll be able to see this compressed or zipped folder. In a few moments you would be able to create a zip folder out of the folder that you have selected. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.